Hey everyone, Miles here with BDS Suspension. With me today I have the complete 2 to 3 inch coilover system for the 2005 and up Toyota Tacoma. Now we've been big fans of Toyota trucks for a long time and offer a wide range of suspension systems, Fox coilovers, and accessories for the Tacoma, Tundra, 4Runner, and the FJ. This new Tacoma 2 to 3 inch coilover kit is a new height with some new tech, so let's get into it and see what is included in this system. The crowning jewel of these kits are the new Fox Performance Elite Series coilovers. These are the latest iteration of Fox's damper technology, utilizing a 2.5 inch aluminum alloy body, which differs from the traditional steel alloy for less weight, better corrosion resistance, and faster heat dispersion when you're pushing the limits out on the trail. These coilovers come pre-tuned by the engineers at Fox and pre-assembled right out of the box for quick, easy bolt-on installation into the OE mounting points to net 3 inches of lift on the 05 to 15 trucks and 2 inches on the 16 and up. They feature a remote reservoir with DSC adjustment, which stands for dual speed compression. This will allow you to easily dial in the dampening firmness for the terrain and your driving style. The proprietary Fox race oil circulates through the reservoir to keep it cool for the extended thrashings. These Performance Elite coilovers increase stability while unlocking the full potential of your Tacoma's travel when paired with these BDS Performance upper control arms. These arms offer additional strength over the factory stamped units, built from 1.75 inch OD heavy wall tubing, specially formed to improve clearance while correcting the upper ball joint angle at this new lift height for increased travel. They use a high strength greasable Moog ball joint protected by an anodized dust cap, along with rubber bushings at the chassis mounting point to allow for the long life and quiet operation with minimal maintenance. The last component for the front are these diff drop spacers, which will help limit the CV angle, especially if you intend to use all that front suspension travel. These are a simple bolt-on design with supplied hardware. For the back of the truck, we have included an add-leaf to work with the factory leaf springs, which will increase the spring rate a bit more for load capacity. This will help you when you're carrying gear and accessories while also giving you a little boost to level out the stance. Along with an add-a-leaf, we include new center pins, spring clamps, and replacement U-bolts. For rear shocks, we have two options. The Fox 2.0 Performance Series IFP non-reservoir, or these all-new Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series shocks with the DSC reservoir designed to match the performance of the front coilovers. Either way, they're a massive upgrade to the stock shock setup. The rear Performance Elite shocks feature a large 2.5 inch extruded aluminum body, 7/8 inch hard chrome plated shafts, redundant seal packing system, and remote DSC adjustable reservoirs. This 2 to 3 inch system allows clearance for up to 33 inch tires, comes complete with everything you need to take your Tacoma's performance to the next level. For more info and to see it in action, head to bds-suspension.com.